Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making porridge, beans and corn. This recipe brings back so much childhood memories. My mom always made this when we were young, especially this raining season when corn is in season, fresh corn is in season. I hope you try it out, and if you want to know how I make it, keep watching to the end. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as well. So for this recipe, we'll be using some brown beans, and then we also have fresh corn straight from the farm. This is white corn. You can also use yellow, and if provided it's fresh, or you can use canned sweet corns. Then I have my crayfish powder, I have my bonga fish powder. This adds a lot of flavor. Then I have onions, scotch bonnet and green bell peppers, and then seasoning cube. I have salt and palm oil as well. Then we'll be serving this with some fried mackerel and plantain. Then I'll be adding my beans to hot water, cover and allow it to come to a boil. Then we'll go ahead now to remove the husks from our corn cob. We'll do that to remove the husks and also remove the corn silk. That's this straight, I call it hair-like material. Then we'll wash it to remove sand particles and also more of the corn silk, because we don't want to be picking it out from our beans porridge. Then once we are done washing that, we'll set that aside, and then we'll go ahead now to remove the corn kernels from the corn cob. Some persons might choose to cook the corn first, then remove the kernel from the cob. That's also fine, but make sure you save the water you used to cook the corn and then use it to cook your beans. It adds a lot of flavor to the beans. Once the beans has come to a boil, we drain out the water, add some more water, rinse and drain as well. This is to take out all the chemicals they might have used to preserve the beans at the warehouse and prevent it from purging. Then to a pot of boiling water, we are going to add our parboiled beans. We're also going to be adding our fresh corn to the beans as well. Then stir everything in together, cover and allow it to cook till both the corn and the beans is soft and done. Then we are going to go ahead and steam our mackerel with just onions, pepper, salt and then seasoning. Then we are going to fry our plantain in a pan of hot oil. This is what we are going to be using to serve this delicious beans and corn porridge. Once the plantain is golden brown, we are going to scoop it out and then go ahead to fry our mackerel fish till it is also golden brown on both sides. Then we are going to check back on our beans and corn, and it is now well cooked. The beans and the corn has become soft. We season with some salt and then the seasoning cube. We're going to add our roughly chopped pepper and onions, and then I'll be using lots of onions because beans and onions, they go very well, and I love onions as well. We stir everything in together, and then I'll be adding the stock from the fish we steamed earlier. Then cover and allow it to cook till everything comes together. Next, we're going to be adding our palm oil. I used like about 2.5 cooking spoons. You just add till you achieve the color consistency you want, and it's best to use fresh palm oil as well. Then once I'm done with adding the oil, I'm going to cover and allow it to come to a simmer. Then once everything has come together, we'll be adding our bonga fish. This adds a lot of flavor to this food. Also the ground crayfish as well, and then I'll stir everything till it has all come together, cover and allow it to come to a simmer. And at this point, our beans and corn porridge is ready. But because I'm extra and I love building flavor, we're going to be adding some freshly cut onions as well, and then some green bell peppers. This will take this beans and corn porridge to another level. It is so good, I tell you. Try it and add this as well. I'll stir everything together and our food is ready. Our beans and corn porridge is ready. Now I'll be dishing this into a plate. If you've not had beans and corn porridge, you are missing out on a lot of things. You really need to try this, and the ingredients are just things you can get at your local market, and they are very cheap as well. be pairing this with some fried plantain and then some fried mackerel fish as well. I hope you give this recipe a trial and then tell me what it's like. I also sprinkle some more extra green bell peppers for flavor and color. I hope you try this thing out though. If you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click the red subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and also give me a thumbs up. See you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.